What's going on, tryhards? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to develop a really solid timing shot. Maybe in the past you were told that your timing is too early or too late. Maybe you're trying to get the ball to draw full table. Maybe you're trying to have it follow all the way down table, but for some reason you're not hitting exactly where you want to. Well, I'm telling you right now, that is very important in pool, guys. Timing is all about hitting the ball exactly where you're trying to make contact on the cue ball so you get the result you're looking for. Make sure to watch until the very end of this video so you'll have a better understanding on how to make contact on the cue ball. All right, tryhards, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your timing right, okay? Most of the time when you're practicing maybe your timing shot, your draws, your follows, you can't really get it to come all the way back like the way you want it to. Maybe it's coming back going off to the right. Maybe it's coming back, it's going off to the left. Your timing is a little bit off, but what does that really mean? When you're practicing this shot, whether you're going forward, backwards, top right, top left, doesn't matter. I want you to practice this. When you come back, those first 2 inches, you're not allowed to accelerate until you pass those first 2 inches. So right here, and then you're allowed to accelerate, okay? I want you to accelerate only after those first 2 inches. That's how you get a really decent draw shot, a really good stroke. Right when you come back, those first 2 inches, you know what? Let me really show you guys. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The first 2 inches of the stroke. So we got 1, 2. You can go to 3 if you'd like, if that makes you a little bit more comfortable. But I normally go around 2, 2.5. We are not allowed to accelerate our cue, accelerate until we pass this point right here. So if I get down on my shot and I'm right here, I'm not allowed to accelerate until I pass right here and I get to follow all the way through, okay? Until you get to right here. You want to go forward still, but you just do not want to accelerate yet. You want to make sure that you pass this line first before you accelerate all the way through. That helped me with my timing. I'm sure it'll help you with yours, okay? So let's say we want to do a draw shot here. I'm going to make sure I chalk up. Big shouts out to the people at Taom. I'm not allowed to accelerate until I pass those first 2 inches first. Nice, decent draw shot. So now let's say we wanted to do a follow shot. We wanted to follow the ball all the way through here. We're not allowed to accelerate until we pass those first 2 inches. That's how we do a nice, smooth follow shot, okay? So practice this on your own, guys. It's gonna take a little bit of time, no pun intended, but when you work on that first 2 inches, make sure that when you come back, if you're coming halfway, all the way back, doesn't matter. Just make sure that those first 2 inches you're thinking about are crucial, all right? And that's what I mean when we talk about timing, guys. Even when it comes to a stop shot, all right? Those first 2 inches, let's say we're playing 8-ball here. I'm gonna put a nice stop shot on the ball. Make sure when you come back and you're about to follow through, those first 2 inches are what matters. Because let's say you're trying to just do this like this and we come back really fast. So we come back really fast. Weird things start to happen. So even if we hit slow, so that's most people. Most people think they need to give it a little bit of something extra. But let's say we're hitting this ball even slower. Weird things happen when you don't have good timing. So let's just come all the way back and follow through. See, that wasn't a stop shot. All right, so let's give it another one. Really decent stop shot there, okay? Even on these easy ones, quote unquote easy like these, find your shot line, do your pre-strokes, and those first 2 inches, I want you to incorporate that into your game right here. I was watching little Chris's video the other day, and he had a professional pool player out there from Minnesota. I'll make sure to shout him out right here in the description for you guys, or in this little caption right here. Make sure to go check him out. But he says, when we're on our final stroke, I want y'all to pretend we're on our final stroke here, and we just pulled all the way back between our fingers, right? That's what this represents right here. This is what a lot of people do. They pull all the way back and they do this. They just go freaking forward really, really fast, okay? Calm it down. Even if it's not that dramatic, most of you guys, when you pull all the way back, you're about to follow through, you go here, and then you just, when it comes all the way back, do not force it to go forward, okay? Watch. When you pull all the way back, let that cue naturally pick up its speed, okay? It naturally will do it on its own. Just right here, those first 2 inches are what matters the most, all right? It's gonna look like this. Try it out for yourselves. Let me know what you think in the comments below about the timing. Is your timing too fast? Is it perfect? Did you learn something from this video? Either way, put it in the comments below. I'm Dupree, aka The Try Hard. Y'all keep trying hard, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.